Hello, I'm in a 2009 Honda Pilot, and today I'm going to show you to open your gas protective cover so you can refill your tank. So as you can see, it's locked. So we'll go to the driver's side. And then right here, there should be a lever to pull that should release the safety, which in this case it did not. So we'll fiddle with it some more. And if it doesn't work, then this is broken. At which point I would advise checking back behind here. I don't know if I can video it, but there's a cable. Yeah, you can kind of see it. That cable there should be there with some tension, which should release it, which it still looks like it did not. So at this point, if I hit tools, maybe with some help while somebody's pulling on the release, if you put something to protect the paint, it should swing open like this. So I'd probably try to protect the paint while slowly trying to jimmy it with that release being pulled until eventually it'll pop open. And in which case, then I need to analyze for any possible debris that's probably stuck in here on the hinge. Because that's probably it. There's probably something in there that's not aligned quite right. So potentially this whole thing needs replaced for this cover reattached. It's just fairly inexpensive. If you're not comfortable trying to do this yourself, because you don't want to mess up your paint, might want to check with the mechanic, have them help. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.